Welcome to the newly updated Martel 2.0 Zoom Recording Kit. What's new in 2.0 Zoom Court Report Kit? A lot. All plug-and-play no settings to adjust. Windows updates will never interfere with it. Plug-and-play no software to install. Even better HD Audiosync Recordings. Record better than a videographer. It was created for court reporters who want to record and join a Zoom, GoToMeeting, Skype, FaceTime, or any other teleconferencing platform. This kit takes the audio out of your laptop, smartphone, or tablet and puts it clearly into Court Reporter Audiosync software. Included in the package is a microphone, which is used to record you into your audio sync while you are talking in the meeting if you need to ask a question or give directions or swear people in. We make it easy and convenient to Zoom depositions. New, second cable output for backup recording. Use your Steno Writer, Olympus Recorder, or any other recorder. Our 1-800 support number takes you to a live support person that has full knowledge of this product. This is a new way for court reporters to join a Zoom video conference remotely. This allows a legal transcript in real time, the deposition or legal hearing and being broadcast into the court reporter's house. The court reporter is able to record using their AudioSync software and hear live the deposition. Martel 2.0 Zoom Recording Kit is compatible with all CAT software programs. Buy now on martelelectronics.com and discover other products to make your court reporting job easier. Get transcripts done much faster and have less stress. Martel Zoom Court Reporters Connection Recorder Kit is compatible with Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and Windows 11. Turn your Zoom audio into videographer quality audio instantly with our kit. Any questions? Email law@marteldigital.com. Our free tech helpline is 1-800-553-5536. Martel Electronics, audio and video equipment specialists since 1957.